tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the rest of your pop art image, flatten it, and save it out as a JPEG. So as you can see from before, this is the first image that we did, and now I'm ready. This one's done. Then I can move on to the next one. So we can do pretty much the same exact thing here, where we can go in. I can once again go here, make my hue and saturation, hit colorize, and don't forget, you want to work with those really cool, bright, vivid colors, okay? Like that. So now, there's that one. I can once again go in and even mix it up a little bit differently here. And let's pick a different color. Pick a yellow. Once again, like I said, just bright, vivid colors. Okay? And really, this is kind of the fun part. You're just going around trying different things. And this all kind of comes full circle. We're using our selection tools. We're learning how to fill and do colors. You know, there's my next one. Go to my third one. Make sure you're on the right layer as usual. I'm going to leave this one black. Why not? Let's try this one. And I'm going to go edit, fill it again. I'm going to use my previous colors from before. Like you can see here, foreground color. This is your foreground and your background color right here. And you can easily go over to this side and change your colors however you like. So I'm going to hit OK. Then I'm going to go over to this side. I'm going to switch my color and go edit, fill. And I'm put my yellow in there. And now I want to go in, hold that one, hold shift, select this. And then I'm going to find a totally different color. So we can go here and grab green. I don't know, why not? Take that and go edit, fill. Okay. So now I'm done my third one. And now I'm moving on to my fourth and my final. So let's do this one here once again. Hue and saturation. The shortcut for that is Command and Command and the button U. Okay, so Command and the letter U. So I'm going to go once again to colorize. Actually, let's stick with this cool green color. Back it off a little bit. I'm going to hit OK. Once again, use my selection tools. Go here, and we will fill that with that cool purple color. I like to try and use the same color, like the same color scheme. So I really don't want to deviate and use or move around and use too many different colors, because there is a pattern to it. Okay, so you don't want to use 15 different colors. You might want to use, say for example 4 colors or something, and work within that same scheme like I said before. Also, I can go back in here. Let's just fill this with yellow also. Okay. So let's take a look. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now don't forget, this is an 8 by 8 image. Okay? So we want to be able to split this in 4 pieces. Well, how can we do that? There's a very easy way to do this. Okay? So you go into your rulers. Remember we did that? So we're going to split this right down the middle. This is 4 by 4, right? So we can go right here to 4. And put our guideline there. As you can see over here, I went right to 4. Okay? And then once again, I'm going to go over to this side, click, and drag out my ruler to 4. So now I have the perfect split, 4-way split. I'm going to use my move tool. Here goes the first one. Okay? I'm going to make it fit here, like so. Here's my next one. Make it fit within the box. Here's my next one. Okay. Let's put that one. Actually, we're going to put that one here because it's a lot of yellow going on. So we're going to put this one here. Okay. This one here. So we get it all to fit. They should all touch. There shouldn't really be any white space. Okay. And last but not least, okay. All right. So really, now you can go in if you want and clear your guides, which is easy. Go to View, Guides, Clear Guides. And There's a little bit of an adjustment. So let's say I want to move this just a little bit. It's right here and I have a little bit of white space. If you use the 4 arrow keys on your keyboard, you can actually steer it with some precision to get it exactly where you want it, okay, without having to click your mouse and drag it. So let's see how that did. Okay. All right. Looks great. So there you go. There's your pop art portrait. Don't forget, you want to save this as a PSD, obviously on your computer. Pop art portrait PSD. You hit save. Then you go to layer, flatten image. Don't forget, all gone. Now they're all flattened as one layer. And don't forget, file, save as. You want to save it as something else. So we're going to click on Photoshop and JPEG and hit save, quality 12, and then you're done. You're ready to upload to Schoology and put on your website. Congrats, you did your first pop art portrait.